Oh, hi guys, I'm here with another video. I'm going to be trying to eat this thin paddle balls. These things, so let's get on with it, see if I like it or not. Bubble gums, I think. Let's see what's inside them first. Well, look what's inside it. It's like goo. Ugh, it's disgusting. It looks disgusting. Yeah, it looks quite nice actually. It's actually quite nice. Follow me on Instagram. Like me on Facebook. And subscribe to this channel. And see you later. Facebook and Instagram are in the description right below there. So, see you. Bye. Subscribe.